Hello student. Today we will going to study from your Beehive book, lesson number 1, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. This is a picture of Isaac Asimov. Now we will going to discuss about the author. Name Isaac Asimov. Occupation writer. Birth date 2nd January 1920. He passed away on 6th April 1992. He has completed his education from Columbia University, Boston University of Medicine. Place of birth Petrovichi, which is in Russia. Place of death New York. Originality Isaac Yudovich Asimov. Now we will going to study in detail about the author. Isaac Asimov, born on January 2nd, 1920, was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his work of science fiction and popular science. Here the meaning of science fiction is imagined or future or scientific or technological advanced science and popular science. Asimov was prolific writer. Here the meaning of prolific means producing many work and edited more than 500 books and estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. Asimov wrote hard science fiction along with Robert A. Heinlein and Arthur C. Clarke. He was considered one of the best science fiction writers during his lifetime. Now we will going to study about the background of the story. The fun they had. The chapter is based on the future generation, especially in the way of education. There are two main characters in this chapter. Margie, a little girl of 11 years, and Tommy, a young boy of 13 years. Tommy finds a real book which is about past schools. This story is basically based on the future, and in the future they are discussing about the past school. Now we will going to discuss about the characters. Margie is an 11-year-old girl who hates school. Tommy is a 13-year-old boy. Mrs. Jones, Margie's mother, mechanical teacher. He teaches to Margie and Tommy. He teaches them different subjects and he wrote on television screen. Now we are going to discuss in detail the fun they had characters. Margie Jones. Margie Jones is the protagonist of the fun they had. The meaning of protagonist means the main figure or the leading character in the story. She is an 11-year-old girl living in 2055 in what appears to be a stable and middle class home. She is inquisitive, asking many questions of her older friend Tommy. Here, the meaning of inquisitive means showing or taking interest in learning different things. Margie hates school and particularly dislike her mechanical teacher's lessons in geometry. The word, we can say, geometry is basically related to the math only. She imagines that the children used to have a lot more fun when school was in person. Now we are going to study about Tommy. Tommy is Margie's neighbor and friend. He is 13 years old, 2 years older than Margie, and often answers her question in all-knowing tone. He initiates the story by finding a paper book in his attic and bring it over to show Margie. Here the word attic means a dialect of Greek. Dialect, we can say, a local language which is being spoken in Greek, or we can say a space or a room inside the roof of a building. Now we are going to discuss about mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher is a robot programmed to individually suit Margie's learning needs. Margie hates the teacher, which is described as large, black and ugly, with a slot where she has to insert homework. Now we will going to discuss about Mrs. John. Mrs. John is Margie's mother. She appears in the story only in relation to Margie's schooling, about which she has strong opinions. For example, she called the county inspector to come fix Margie's teacher when it kept giving her geography tests that were too hard. Here, the meaning of county inspector, we can say, is a county inspector is basically a person who deal with the computer. She also enforced the timing of Margie's schooling, believing that school should happen at the same time every day. Now we will going to discuss about the county inspector. The county inspector is described as a round little man with a red face. Margie's mother sends for him when Margie's teacher malfunctions and gives her geography tests that are too hard. Malfunction means fail to function normally. The inspector takes apart the teacher. Here the meaning of teacher is computer, and puts it back together, resetting its geography level to an average 10-year-old level. He assures Margie and her mother that it was not her fault that the geography tests were too hard. Now we will going to see how the schools will be like in the future generation or in the future, learning through computers. As we are seeing or noticing nowadays that everyone is working from computer only, or we are using the same technology with our mobiles. Virtual classrooms. Virtual classrooms means a smart classroom, okay, which is being made up by using different softwares to perform different types of function. Next is robotic teacher. Robotic teacher is basically a kind of teacher. It's a machine, as you know, which is supposed to teach children in the school. In India also, Indus International School, Bangalore is the first school who has implemented robotic teacher on 5th September 2019. Next is moving e-tax. So nowadays, as you know that how you are doing your work. The teacher is giving you assignment, you are doing and you are submitting it on email or you are sending your photographs, right? Now we are going to discuss about the summary. Margie writes her diary. Margie even wrote about the book in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157. So we are in 2020, right? She will going to write in future. The year is 2157. What she wrote? She wrote, today Tommy found a real book. The real book. So as I told you that Tommy has found the book and he has brought that book to Margie. So she is mentioning in her diary that today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him about a time all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages. These were wrinkled and yellow. Here, the meaning of wrinkled means slightly fold, and the book is being kept from past many years, so the pages has turned to yellow. The word stood still. They did not move on the screen as they do now. So as you know that nowadays we are studying on the computer, we are studying on the screen, we just move our cursor up and down, and if you compare this to the book, the words remain still, they do not move, the line remain as it is. For moving or just going to the next line on the, you have to turn the next page, okay, you just need to switch to the next page. So in her diary only she is mentioning telebook. Telebook, Tommy called it a waste. When they read the book, they threw it away. Their television screen must have been very big to have many books. It was still good for many more books. It was same for Margie, though she had not seen many telebooks. Margie's hatred for school means she disliked or hate going to the school. Margie was 11 and Tommy was 13. She asked him where he had found that book. So Margie is asking Tommy that where you have found this book. He replied that he found that in his house. So he's saying that I found in my house only. She said what it was all about. He replied that it was about school. So they are discussing the book you have found. The book is based on what subject? So he's saying the book is based on school only. Margie exclaimed, "School? What was there to write about school?" As she hate that. So she react badly because she hate school. So in this picture you are noticing that Margie is studying with the help of telebook only. She is sitting in the front of a computer with her headphone over the ears. She is listening, or she is just noticing all the things which is there on the screen, and she is replying what is being asked. Why Margie hates school? Now we are going to discuss about the reason why Margie hates school. She always hated school, but now she hated it more. So from few days back she hated the school, but after getting a real book on school she start hating it more. It is because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. And another reason is this, that she has already given test recently. Again and again the mechanical teacher means computer, is giving her test after test in geography. She had been doing worse in words, so she won't be able to perform nicely. At last her mother sent for the county inspector. So her mother called the county inspector and gave the screen or computer to him to repair him or to check out the problem. Television teacher said right. The inspector was a round little man. He had a red face and a box of tools, dials, and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He took the television teacher away. Margie hoped he would not know how to set it right. But after 1 hour, it was brought again before her with its big screen. Lessons were shown and questions asked on it. So, in this picture, you are noticing county inspector Margie and her mother also. So he has placed back the screen and he's patted on Margie's head and saying that the things are okay now, you will not get test again and again. Now we are going to discuss about Margie learning. She hated its slot in which she had to put her homework. So every day the teacher used to give homework or assignment she has to do, and she has to send it back to the teacher, the mechanical teacher. She had to write them in a punch code. Punch code, we can say, is a kind of code by pressing keys on a machine. She had been learning since she was 6 years old. So she is learning this, how to write, when she was 6 years old. Geography sector sit right. As you know that I have already told you that the person has the county inspector has taken the screen, he had repaired it, so he has set the level according to Margie now. The inspector smiled and patted Margie's head. He told Margie's mother that it was not Margie's fault. The geography sector was geared a little too quick. It had slowed that to an average 10-year level. Margie's progress had been quite satisfactory. Then he went away. Margie's wish about her television teacher. Margie hoped that they would take her mechanical teacher away. They had done so to the Tommies for nearly a month. So she was wondering that it should be better that the county inspector take my screen for 1 month to repair and give it back, because she is saying that it also happened with the Tommy and the screen has been kept by the county inspector for a 1 month. The history sector of Tommy had blanked out, so she was facing problem in geography, and Tommy had problem with history. Margie said to Tommy why anyone would write about school. So this is a picture. In this picture you are noticing that Margie is showing interest in her studies by doing the given test or maybe the work which is being assigned by the teacher. Tommy tells her about old school. Tommy told her that it was not their kind of a school. So he is saying that the school which we are learning from is not that type of a school. That was kind of a schools which they had their hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Margie's knowledge about old schools. Margie was hurt. She told that she did not know about these schools. So she is saying that I do not have any kind of knowledge about those schools. She read the book over Tommy's shoulder. She then said that they had a teacher anyway. Tommy replied that it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. So the Tommy is saying that every day we are facing only one person, that is also inbuilt in the software. But in the olden school, there was a real man who was supposed to teach the students in those schools. The teacher told the boys and girls things and gave homework. He also asked them questions. Margie told Tommy that the man could not be smart enough, but Tommy said he was so. So Margie is saying to Tommy that might be they are having a man as a teacher, but that man would not be so smart as compared to our teacher, the present day teacher. Old school has been explained by Tommy. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. So Margie did not want to argument on the particular topic. She said that she would not want a strange man to live in her house and teach. Tommy told Margie that the teachers did not live in the house as the mechanical teachers lived. They had a special building. All the kids went there and they learned the same thing. Also, they were of the same age group. Adjustment of television teacher. But Margie said that as per her mother, a teacher had to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it taught. So each kid had to be taught differently. Margie's school time. Margie's mother, Mrs. John, called that it was the time for her school. Margie asked Tommy if she could read the book some more with him after school. Tommy walked away. He had put the dusty old book under his arm. Margie thinks of old schools. Margie put her work in the slot with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools. They had them when her grandfather's grandfather was a kid. All the kids from the neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. They sat together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so that they could help one another in their homework. And the teachers were human beings. Thinking continues. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen the fraction of a question. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved the school in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So, now we're going to discuss about the features or the difference between the present means the school in which or the technology is which we are using nowadays, okay, and the future school. So the old school, the present school is being considered as a old school, and the future school, the schools in the year 2155 or 57, right? The basic difference between the present, old, the future school as follows. First, we are going to discuss about the materials. Present school, we are reading from a real book which is printed on the paper, yellow and crinkly. Okay, and the future school, they are having telebook, e-book on the screen and can be changed. E-book also we are using nowadays because of this lockdown. Second, the difference of the type of teacher. Present school teacher are real men, communication is there, emotional attachment is there, okay, and not perfectly. Even the teachers also learn, right? And in the future school, robotics or a mechanical teachers giving test after test, no communication, large, cold, black, ugly and more, because robots having a different color. So you can just imagine. Classrooms. So present day school teaching in a building. So you are having a school building. Many students are taught in the same thing. Okay. So we are having a different classrooms. Okay. And we used to supposed to make this students sit according to the classes and the section, right? And all of you got the same thing or the same topic every day. But in the future school, in his or her own house, so they need to sit in the front of the screen needlessly to leave home. So So for the study also they have to be inside the home only. Each kid could be taught differently. So maybe the child of your age may be getting different topic and you are getting a different topic to learn every day. The classes are always on the same time every day. Okay, so you are having 11 o'clock, so your classes are 11 o'clock every day. And in present day school we just move according to the different lessons, right? Homework and tests. Present day school exam, test paper, writing and essay writing we are doing. In a future school, write them out in a computer by pressing the keys, put them on the slot. Okay, so they just need to type the paper and they have to email to the teacher or the given slot, or maybe it is a computer generated test, so you have to just choose the right option or by filling the answer, right? So this is a small view of overall things we have studied, the fun they had. Now, old school, centuries ago in a school, many kids and the teachers were men. Okay, and old school was fun according to the Margie. They used to help each other, they used to walk together, laugh together and shout together. And according to Margie, in May 17, 2157 wrote, Tommy found and read a real book. So here Margie is saying that today on 17th May, Tommy found a real book. Real book means the book which we are using today. It is paper pages are there. Okay, and she is saying that the book which he had found was an old one and words stand still. So as I told you, on the computer screen the words keep on moving, and the books which we are using nowadays, the words remain there, they do not dance. Telebook is basically electronic book, read on the screen and words move. As I told you that we used to scroll the page, okay, scroll up and down, right and left, so the word used to dance. Tommy found in the attic, as I told you, a space or a room which is on the roof of the building. So she has discussed about the school also of 2157, private, personalized, one-to-one at home, mechanical teacher, big, black, ugly, robot, big screen. So this is all about the future school of year 2157. So you just see the scenario. Okay, so in the above picture you are seeing the modernized school, and you are seeing that one girl is sitting on the chair in the front of her screen. She has typed I hate you, and another girl is being same that okay, she is fine with the studies. This is also another picture. Every child is sitting individually, they are doing their work. There is no teacher, only robotics teachers are there. So this is all about your chapter. Thank you.